doing? Will you make me something? Will you make me some dinner, please?
I'm going to make juice.
Is it good? Do you think you should put it in a cup?
No, it's not open yet. See?
Oh. It's pretend.
No.
Hey, Matt. Can you tell Mommy what the rules are?
What?
What are the rules? What are the rules at the store? I can't understand you. Okay, tell me again. What are the rules? Go ahead. What are the rules?
No playing, no screaming, no running around, just play in the basket.
One more time.
No crying, no screaming in the house. No playing.
Really? Are you going to make some dinner? What are we having?
Lunch. They're having lunch.
What are we going to have for lunch? Are you making noodles?
No!
Spaghetti?
No, it's not spaghetti. It's chicken.
Chicken?
I see you. This is for you. This is for you. Here.
Thank you. Yummy, yummy.
This is good. Is this your milk? Is this your milk?
I will, thank you.
Come.
Thanks.
This is Manny's juice. Manny makes some food. Manny's gonna make some juice.
You're going to come eat with me?
Yes.
Time to eat?
Yes.
Eat it, hurry. That's a big spoon.
Here. Here it's yours. This is mine, and this is yours.
That's mine?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
This is Manny's.
Is it good? What is it?
It's spaghetti.
It's spaghetti?
Yes. Chicken.
You made me chicken and you made you spaghetti?
No, it's not juice. It's in my juice. Get this Manny's juice. My drink it.
You're thirsty, huh?
Yeah, I'm thirsty. Is that yours?
No, thanks.
Is that mine?
Yeah.
What? Strawberry babies?
Where's the grocery store at?
Right here. Right here.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Did you go buy some groceries?